Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and now it is trading at a level of $2.3140. Keep that in mind. I was continuously telling you that the price is on a continuous downtrend, and if you look at and go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see clearly that we have seen the lot of time a gap down we have seen. Look at these particular gap downs. Okay, but if the price started going upside, this gap is being filled on that particular day itself. Okay, now today what we can see, if the price started sustaining a level of $2.435, again the gap will be filled. Okay, and chances of touching a level of 2.537 will be there. Okay, now if you go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see that there is a higher chances that the price can go further low. Okay, now the price, what it do, it creates a good volatility, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, it goes upside also, downside also. That means most of the days it is touching the high also as well as the low also. Okay, this is as per 15 minutes chart. But if you go on a two hours chart, you will see that there is a good volatility, we can say, in for a particular day. Okay, that the price, if you look at this particular price, see, suppose it has made a high from $2.461 and a low of around 2.259. that means a good volatility we have seen in the price of natural gas if we go on a day wise, on a 15 minutes chart and a 2-hour chart. Okay, now you will understand clearly if the price, I'll show you on a day wise pattern. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, two things that you have to understand here is that, which I've already explained you, that once the price started going below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see, and you can see it has made a low of around $2.2158 around this particular level. Okay, now it has moved a little up, but overall trend is downside. Okay, because there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, an opposite U cap pattern was forming, and I've already explained you that if it's moved below a level of 2.7 and touches a level of 2.5, and if it started sustaining below this level, a further fall we can see. And yes, a probability of going further down is on a higher side still. Okay, once the price started moving below 2.2, now you will see a probability of going below a level of 2 also we can see. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that this is the downtrend we have seen, and but if the price is started sustaining above a level of $2.7653, we can see a further upside movement also, because the trend will change towards on a higher side. Okay, this is the thing. And as soon as started sustaining above this particular level, then we can see it will go to above a level of $3, and once started going above a level of $3, a further upside movement we can see towards 3.3, and then to a higher side. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, now the third thing you have to understand, that after pandemic there was a pattern formed in a crude also. Okay, as well as in natural gas price also. These are forming the same patterns what we have seen in the crude, while if you go on a gold and silver patterns, they are also creating same pattern. That means moving up and down on the basis where the gold is moving similar to silver and silver is moving similar to gold. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is higher chances we can see a further fall in the price of natural gas. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, if the price didn't sustain this level, see, and probability is higher, yes, it will not sustain, and a probability of touching a level of 2.2534 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular level, 2.2534, chances are higher it will go towards $2.2416. Okay, and if the price started falling below a level of 2.2416, we will see it will fall further down, and yes, a probability of going towards $2.2181 is there. Okay, and if it started moving below this particular level, chances of touching $2.1462 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will fall further down towards $2.0935, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2.0661 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will touch a level of $1.9603. Okay, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around 1.8212 is there. Okay, so once the price started moving below this particular zone, chances are very high that it will go below a level of 1.8212, and then from there a further fall we can see. Okay, I'm not making big videos, so you should be like watching full. Okay, so understand something, that market is uncertain. Okay, so if I'm saying that the market will go down, yes, it will go down, a probability is there, but you have to always prepared with your SL, because suppose anybody is not 100% sure where the market will go. Okay, a trend we can guess, a probability we can guess. Okay, so always try to set your SL, it will save your capital, whether anybody will not say the clear pattern, because it is not 100% sure that whether market will go up or down, but yes, prediction can be made, because our overall trend is downside, so we can see it will go further down, and the analysis also says this. Okay, so SL will save your capital, but if you are trailing your SL, it will save your profit if you are in profit, and that is the best thing you can do to sustain for a longer period of time. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.401, and from there a gap will be filled, and then it will touch a level of $2.5003. Okay, and if the price started sustaining this level, we will see it will cross a level of $2.5835, and from there it will cross this level and touch a level of 2.7735. Once the price started sustaining of this particular zone, we will see it will touch a level of $2.9335. Okay, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch a level of around $3.0892, which is a half the zone. So we can see it will sustain this level, and yes, a higher chances will be there, we can see a level of $3.1466. If the price started moving out of this level, the probability of going towards 3.2286 is there. Okay, and from there a level of 3.3 we can see, and once the price started sustaining over 3.3, we can see a further upside movement in the price of natural gas. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.